Dental teaching during Corona pandemic. Corona pandemic has adversely affected classroom teaching of undergraduate students in dental colleges. Classes have been suspended due to Corona lockdown. Hostels have been closed. Students sent home. No classroom teaching is going on. In such case, how to continue education without loss of academic year of the students? The only solution is to adopt online teaching of oral histology and pathology using digital slides for classroom lectures and practical demonstration. This platform is provided by Digiscan, which offers this facility by providing large number of digital slides of oral histology, oral embryology, and pathology to dental colleges for online teaching of students. Make use of this available precious resource of thousands of slides in Digiscan Digital Library for online teaching. Resource material available for BDS teaching is as follows. Oral histology slides, which contain all slides including ground sections of tooth and general histology slides as per requirement of Dental Council of India. Digiscan also provides oral embryology and tooth germ development slides as per requirement of Dental Council of India. BDS pathology and oral pathology slides are also available, which contain all pathological lesions as per Dental Council of India. These sets are available online 24/7. Apart from undergraduates, Digiscan also provides resource material for postgraduate teaching, which includes oral pathology slide set, aspiration cytology slide set of head and neck lesions, including salivary gland and aspiration fluid cytology. Immunohistochemistry slide cells are also available, which consists of well worked up interesting or difficult cases of oral pathology solved with the help of immunohistochemistry studies. Apart from all these sets, Digiscan also provides quiz cases. This quiz case slide set helps in the assessment of postgraduates during examination or self-assessment. You can contact us via website, email, or WhatsApp. Thank you.